Hello everybody, thank you for supporting Worldtopia channels. Remember to hit the like and subscribe, and also click on the link if you want to buy the spinners or the Funko Pop characters in the video descriptions. And today we are going to image what Fidget spinner of each our favorite Overwatch character will use, and also do a quick mini review of this Funko Pop that they just came out. So let's get started. So this is D.Va, so we think it's metallic rose gold, that's super smooth spinners. And for Genji, we'll pick this one, not the easiest one. We'll use the star like tri spinners. This is gold. Look like just look like he ninja star. So we are not going to use the real ninja star. That's too easy. And the keys, we will use these brown spinners. And rippers, of course, we'll use the make spin, the score spinners. And for Mercy, we'll pick the true spinner with like white and gold trim that match your outfit and look like kind of like cool. And for Reinhardt, we will select these metallic stainless like UFO spinner like match. And let's get started. So we'll just put them on spin. We can time it, but let's see. Hey, let's get started. So we spin. So we'll take a quick look. So this is the Funko Pop. This is the newer version. And it's not movable, but the fit and finish is pretty good. So there's a little D.Va inside. So this is back. Put it in. And this is McCree. The detail is pretty good. But it cannot stand, and they don't give this. And this is old. This is the previous version. Reapers. And this is a Reinhardt. It's pretty big, probably almost as big as D.Va, but this one it doesn't have any removable parts. And this the Mercy and Genji. The Funko Pop doesn't make it. I like these two characters a lot, so I get it from the eBay. I think they sell this mini version. Big head, bubble head, and comes with a cool stand. Same as Mercy. So the true spinners, the white true spinners that stop around like 2 minutes, over 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And just leave a comment, see which one is your favorite, or like you think you can suggest different spinner for different characters. So the Mercy, so this one is the true spinners. It's pretty cool. I like it. Like it's a plastic spinner, but it's the older 608 bearing. And this is very cool. Look, very high end. And when you spin, gives that kind of cool effect. And this is a star. We did not pick the Genji star because it's too easy. This is made by Star. Is a stainless, and Star has very good quality, and they make these spinner that is super smooth. And also I like the Star. So this is a 2-star spinner that I have. That super cool. And they are very quiet. So this one is a way better quality than the traditional Genji spinners. And these two are the top of line. These are may spin, Scott spinner review on the other videos, and also this is made by the. Let's see, this is user suggest Mateminco. This is very high-end spinners. That this is traditional UFO is a 2-piece. That one has another centerpiece. That extra weight. And this is the thing that a lot of different vendors sell these aluminum alloy. It's light, look like traditional tri spinners, but they are made from aluminum. They give you these little teeny whiny aluminum alloy spin sound, but they are some of them are pretty smooth. So this one I got is pretty good. So there's no wobble. And let's see which one will be the winner today. Is it McCree, the Make Spin, or Mateminco? So look at the Make Spin is about to stop. But they are pretty good spinners. Check out our original reviews. And just want to compare them. So this guy Taisia, that's the reader suggest spinners that I will review. It's similar to Sunkong one, but this one can spin much longer than the Sunkong version. So that's it for our quick review of what I imagine what Overwatch character will use as their spinners. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button here, and also check out all the other video right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.